All right, folks, we have here a Harmar AL600 platform lift. This would also work on a Harmar AL690. We have a lift here where the remote is not working anymore, so we have to replace the remote. So to replace the remote, Harmar has a new design, but when you get the new remote, you will get this little harness right here that you have to replace for the new remote. So this is the harness you'll be getting with the new remote, and I'll pick this off. And this will be your new remote right here. You have an on and off button here, on and off, and you have your up and down right here. Actually, if I hold this so you can see it, up and down. And you definitely have to push this one. It plugs in the same way, but we have to replace this little harness in here. So how do you do that? Very simple. Let me show you. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your battery is disconnected. So I have a little battery here, a handheld battery. It's connected to my lift. I don't want that any power connected. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to go to your box right here. And most people don't know this, but this little box pops right up. You don't have to have, if you have screws here, go ahead and take the screws out. But if you have the latest Harmar lift, it should just pop right up like this, and now the box comes out. So you see the box is out now, okay? So now the next thing you'll have to do is, before you even do that, you may want to do this first. You will have to have a pair of long nose pliers, I'm sorry, and you'll have to have a Allen set right here. This is a standard metric Allen set, and I'm using the smallest of all the Allen right here. So this might be the hardest part, trying to find this right here. So this is a metric Allen set with the smallest Allen. You'll take the two little screws on top of the plug right here. There's one on each side. So I have them already unscrewed. So I'm going to take the screws out. So this is why you will need your Allen, because you'll have these two mini screws right here. And I would recommend you have a box, which I don't have here. Put all your parts in the box, okay? Then you're going to pull this out, and you're going to pull the plug out. It'll come right out, okay? As it comes out, you can see right here, there's a wire that goes to the bottom. You're going to disconnect this big cable right here. It's on the bottom right side. And the only thing else you're going to do, there's only one wire left right here, and it goes on the on and off button, and it's on the off side. This is why you need your pliers. So you're going to disconnect this little red wire that's on the on and off button on the off side. So you would go in the box, you would go on the off side and pull it out. And now you've already got the cable out, the other cable out. So now we're going to put that aside. We're going to take our new cable. We're going to reverse everything we did. You can plug the bottom one first if you want to. Bottom right is plugged in. I'm going to put my cable back here, and right here, this part right here is a dead cable. You don't have to worry about this part right here. It doesn't connect to anything. But this red cable right here goes back to your off button. So you're going to go back to your off button on the side and put that cable back on. All right, so I've got the cable back on the off button. And this ground right here, this is a ground cable right here. You can plug it on either one of these two plugs on this side. There's one here and one there. Either one of these two, you can plug it on. Okay, so take the ground cable, any of those open plug. I'm going to go to the bottom one, plug it in, and now you would put your thing back in. Okay, right in here. Put your screws back in. And now, before I put it all back together, I'm going to check, make sure. I'm going to put my battery back on. I'm going to take my remote. Whoop, it's not even plugged in. I'm going to plug it in before it's all finished, just to make sure. There we go. I'm going to take my remote and I'm going to turn the power back on over here. I have the on button here. This is the down. This is the off, up. You can see you have lights also on your remote. You can see that. Very nice. So down to go out, back up. And this would be your off and off button. So these buttons don't work once you have this button turned off. So folks, it's that easy to replace this harness on this box when you get it with the remote. Watch this video closely and this should really help you. Thank you. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you and have a wonderful day.